It's time to start tossing fish in, man. Get that therapy, boy. Woo. Woo, he about to be good. Look at the tail, look at the tail. All right, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing is Therapy. Get that therapy, boy. We out here on the water now, man. Second time out with the boat. Trying to go out here and just find some fish, man. I'm gonna search for some crappie, some red ears, you know, my usual panfish, man. May even get a hold to some white bass, all right? So you guys stay tuned, guys. Check me out. Let's see if we can get on them today, man. I don't know the water temperature or anything like that. I know it's about 8:30 right now. I don't have my fish finder installed yet on this boat. I'm waiting on a couple things to come so that I can do that, guys. But stay tuned. Let's see if we can get on them, boy. Any day you get on the water, it's therapy, boy. Let's get that therapy, boy. Hey, guys. Found one. Cold water bluegill. Then a little bit of the deeper water. Ooh, he's cold. It's like grabbing an ice cube. See if I can repeat that about 10 more times. So I had a hunch since I was catching a lot of smaller bluegill. Very small, okay? I know that one wasn't big, but I'm catching a lot of smaller ones on the back side of the tree. So I decided to cast to the front of the tree, see if there's any bigger ones here. And to my knowledge, to my suspicion, that's what happened. They were. There we go. Got it. The hell is that? Oh, look at that. That's a big old red ear. Boy, look at that, Joe. That red ear is white. Wow. I thought that was like a drum or something. Yes, sir. Look at how white this red ear is. Look at it. Look at it. Goodness. White red ear. All right, make that cast. Let it sink to the bottom. 6 feet of water right now, y'all. Oh. I'm gonna just tighten on up my line. So it goes from like 3, 4, 5, 6 to about a basin right here that's about 7 to 8 feet of water. That's what I'm fishing in, guys, off this cove. All right, and just in case you guys are wondering, I'm using the Shakespeare Reverb. All right, this is a 5'6" rod, medium action with a 4-pound line, Walmart rod. All right, guys, let's make another cast up there to that down tree, 7 feet of water. See if I can get them going. The wind is now picking up, so it's trying to blow me back, but trust me, they there. Hear them in there making noise? Signaling to the others. Come eat. Jump in Chris's boat. Come on now. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Yep. Look at that, y'all. Red ear, Slab City. I do this. Fishing is my therapy. Look at that. Got some cool ones in there. I may be doing a catch and cook. Keep missing him. And that's a nice size one. I can tell the way he biting it. I got that thump to him. Come on. Got it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. Knew he had that thump to him, y'all. That boom, boom. Kind of like a crappie, but you can't miss that red ear thump. Back off. Oh, got another one, y'all. Found him. Telling y'all, it's what I do. Fishing is therapy. Fishing is therapy. Sir, fishing is therapy. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 red ears, 4 red ears, and a couple of bluegill. You can't complain when your cooler look like that. What can you complain about when your cooler looks like that? Nice slabber babs. Got another one, y'all. Nice bluegill. Look at it. Yeah, cold water bluegill. I'm telling y'all, we got dinars. It's cold, boy. I'm telling you, these fish are cold. They're pale, cold. Look at that, y'all. Choo, 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 choo. What y'all saying? All right, guys. Today was a beautiful day, man. It was great. It was therapeutic, man. But listen, y'all, I'm hungry, man. So I'm about to do something to these. Slabber babs. I'm about to do a catch and cook, y'all. I'm about to head to the boat ramp right now. Fry me up some fish, y'all. Prepare it. Hopefully, y'all stay tuned with me, man. Sit down there, man. Let's have a little conversation, man. But I'm hungry. Let's eat, y'all. Fishing was therapy today. I'm getting out of here early. I'm hungry. But I'm also a little tired, y'all. All right? So let's get on the road. Let's get on. All right? I'll see y'all at the ramp. Meet me there. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. It's time to get ready to do this catch and cook, man. I'm hungry, man. Got that bread, man. Oh, got that hot sauce. And we got those fish. I'm about to take out my little set, man. Show y'all how I do it, man. Right here on the water, y'all. So excuse me if it ain't the best quality, but I don't care. I'm hungry. A man's gotta eat. You know, don't get in the way of a man and his food. So y'all can see from this angle that I'm doing this catch and cook, boy. Look, cast iron. Got a little bit of rust in there, but that's all right. Look, got all the essentials. Got the oil, got the breading. Yeah, y'all better get used to this, because this is how I do it. Now I got my propane set right here. Just getting this stuff set up real quick. Let's get this oil. I'm talking about for real, man. I'm not playing with y'all, man. I'm hungry, man. I gotta eat right now, man. Camera may be at a weird angle. Forgot my little setup for that, my tripod, but I gotta eat. You know what I mean? Take that out right there. That's a little propane starter right there, y'all. Look how I open up, look. Boom. Like it's the Matrix or something. Open him up like that. Like, how's that gonna work, Chris? Watch, wait and see. Alright, y'all. There we go. Set that in that tray. Foil tray, that is. Boom. Set your skillet on there like that. So if it falls right there. I'm doing this for real, y'all. I'm doing this for real. I'm back. Ah, let's get it going. First thing we're gonna do is get some of this fish filleted right now with my fillet knife. Let's look in here real quick. These fish, which one? Who wants to meet Fishing is Therapy today? Alright, I'm gonna grab one of these red ears. I just want to eat him up real quick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to look. Let's get it. Man, who do it like this, man? At the boat ramp? Come on, man. I'm hungry, man. Man, if y'all pulled up right now, any of y'all can eat too. Feel me? This therapy for everybody, man. Look at that. Got a nice little saliva. All right, y'all. We down here at the Waldies. Try and throw that in the water. Actually, I want that tail. My wife would be mad at me if she saw that tail still on there. I need that. I need that from me. Thank you. Catfish bait. How you doing? Getting rinsed? Yes, in the water. That's seasoning. Man, y'all don't know how to survive. Look at that. Ah. Look at that. Ah. Look at that little piece. Everything count for me. Look, and a tail. Oh, look at that. I don't care what y'all say. I gotta survive. I'm hungry. All right, y'all. Got her cleaned up. All right, what we got? What we got? What we doing? All right. Let's put that in there. Got our fish. We got our fish ready, man. Telling y'all, this is how I do it, man. Fishing is therapy truly to me, man. I eat like this, man. Look at the channel. You think it's a game? I don't play. Shoot. You probably play around when you say you about to go eat or something like that. I'm not. That fillet knife back where it needs to be. Safe space. It's safe here. Your secrets. Okay. Okay. Y'all think I'm playing? Y'all still think I'm. Alright. Alright. Here. You want your Play-Doh? Huh. Alright. Alright, you can act like you feel me? You can act like I ain't doing what I'm doing right now. But I'm really doing what I'm doing. And I'm gonna do this all the time at this boat ramp. This bread ain't going. I only need a little bit. So I cut a little hole. I don't need a lot. I don't want a lot to come out. All right, let's get it. This happening. I don't know what y'all thinking. It's really happening out here. Got my hot sauce. All right, where my lighter at now? Alright, make sure everything good. Booming. You hear me? It's official now. Cast iron rolling. He rolling. Fishing is therapy to me, man. While that's getting hot, let's get these fish in here. Telling y'all, man. Hear that grease getting hot, man. I really do this at a different level, man. I've been waiting to do a catch and cook out here in Georgia. Now today is the best day, man. It ain't hot. When I got back from the dock, had some good success with some fish. I'm happy, y'all. When last time y'all did something like this? Huh? When last time you ate like this? Or you like, oh, don't do that, or what? What? So if you needed to survive, what would you do? That's how I do it. Look at that bread right there. Where my sanitizer at, man? My hand sanitizer at, man? No, I don't touch that without my hand sanitizer, man. Not no bread. There we go. Give us a little squate. How you get that therapy, man, in the Jon Boat. Not at home. Not at home. But on the water. Like on the water. Booming. Like serious. No joking. Alright, y'all. The grease hot enough. Let me turn it down. Alright. Let's get it going, man. Let's get this therapy, man. It's time to start tossing fish in, man. Get that therapy, boy. Woo. Woo, he about to be good. Look at the tail. Look at the tail. It never fails. Get that therapy, boy. I'm telling you, boy. Look at him, boy. Telling y'all, look at him. Browning, fillet style. Real easy and quick. Ooh. That grease was hot. I'm gonna start cooking faster than what I thought. I'm really doing this on the Jon Boat, man. I'm really doing this, man. I'm telling y'all, this is how I do it, man. Y'all want some? Here. Dang. Always asking for my stuff. Huh? Huh? Oh. Fillets, red ear. Red ear, man. I'm telling y'all, man. That's how I do it, man. When y'all come with fishing this therapy, man, that's how you do, man. We go out there, we fish, we catch it, we come right back to the shore and we eat fresh like this. We don't play around with life, man. We hungry, man. So you catch what you eat. So it make you a better fisherman. You got to go out there, get your own food. So, you know how many people be trying to catch the biggest, the this, the that. Hey, dog, I'm trying to eat, man. All right, there we go. Look like we ready to jump out, y'all. Look like we ready to jump out, y'all. Boom. Yes, sir. Look like we done. Let's go. Now it's time to eat. Couple of pieces off to the side. Let's put some hot sauce on it. Listen, y'all. I know I put a little more hot sauce than I would have liked, but this is a meal right here, y'all. I don't know what y'all thinking. Fishing is therapy, man. Hey, this is how I do it right here. Alright? I'll do it. Yeah, look at that, Fred. And it's crispy. And then, I just want so crispy. I had to chew the little bone that was in there. Fresh car. Y'all want some? You want some? Huh? What do you want? Or you want some of the tail? Huh? Look. Why didn't I do this sooner? Why didn't I do this sooner? Alright, y'all. Fishing was therapy today, y'all. Caught my fish. Oh, this ain't it. I still got more. Feel me? You know. Look. Slabs in there. So, understand, y'all. It ain't over. But, I gotta eat, y'all. So, I'll see y'all on another episode of Fishing is Therapy, y'all. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you guys for watching, y'all. Like the video, guys. Share it. Subscribe, guys. All of that really helps out the channel, guys. But for real, I really appreciate you guys. Check out my merch store. My merch store, y'all. Go see if y'all want to be a part of the Fishing is Therapy family. Get you a mug. Get you some stickers. Hey, at least get some stickers, right? I got shirts for y'all. I got hats for y'all. And whatever else you need, guys, let me know, guys, right? All of this is for the Fishing is Therapy family, guys. Thank you for always supporting me, guys. All right? I'll catch you on another episode. Peace.